Do draft plan reviews as gallery walks. This is a quote from Shane Harrison in the PI Planning Cooking Show. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what is behind the sixth wicket.
Do you use Microsoft Teams for your PI planning as your main communication channel? In that case, today the surprise is for you. We all know how important it is that we use as few tools as possible. So, what if the participants felt that there was only one tool for PI planning? Less distraction equals more focus. To set up the boards in Microsoft Teams, you just have to copy the board URL. Then, under Add tab, you can click on Website. Give the board a name, for example, Program Board. Then, paste the copied URL and click on Save. In the same way, you can also create your team board. This way, all communication is done through Microsoft Teams. Cool, right?